Good afternoon, Cougars, and happy Friday. What is the difference between a hippo and a Zippo? One is really heavy and the other is a little lighter. Students and staff, please rise for the pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Some more reminders about CU and AP classes. CU Succeed College Credit is available to students this semester. Please check with your teacher for information regarding this opportunity. Students are responsible for tuition payment this year for their CU Succeed courses if they opt to take the college credit. UCCS credit is $52 per credit hour, and registration is due October 8th. If you have any further questions about CU Succeed, please contact Mrs. Schultzke. AP students, remember to get your join codes from your AP instructors, log in through your College Board account, and join your AP class if you have not already. This will give you access to your AP classroom resources and AP exam registration, which is due by October 2nd. Remember, D11 is paying for AP exams this year. Contact Mrs. Schultzke if you have any questions. Colleges are coming to Coronado. If you are interested in any of these schools, write down the dates for their visits. Willamette University, October 5th, Colorado State University, October 5th, University of Missouri, October 12th, Pikes Peak Community College, October 12th, Adams State University, October 26th, Western Nebraska Community College, October 26th, UCCS, November 2nd, Colorado College, November 2nd, Azusa Pacific University, November 9th, Reed College, November 9th, University of Colorado Boulder, November 16th, Metropolitan State University, November 16th, Yale University, November 30th, and Northern Arizona University, November 30th. University of Northern Colorado Greeley, December 7th, Worcester Polytechnic Institute, TBA, Colorado Mesa University, TBA, and Colorado State University, Fort Collins, TBA. Coronado clubs are gearing up. Clubs may be virtual or in person, however, district guidelines are very specific and must be followed. Once you have a teacher to sponsor your club, they will have the required paperwork and protocol for getting started. Have fun! Origami Club is still meeting on Tuesdays virtually from 3 to 3:30. Visit this link for the WebEx link information. Hope to see you there! Our competitive robotics team is inviting new members. To join Cougars Gone Wired, complete the application at www.team2996.com. They are currently meeting from 6 to 7 p.m. on Thursdays. Once you complete an application, a link to the WebEx will be sent to your email. Attention juniors and seniors. Student Council will be facilitating painted parking spots this year. It is $25 for the parking permit and an additional $20 for the painted spot. Contact or visit Mrs. Ross in the Help Center to get your painted spot. If you do not want a painted spot, you can get just a regular spot at the business office. Students will not be allowed to paint their parking spot unless they have a parking permit with them. To buy a parking permit, you need your driver's license, car registration, and proof of insurance. And an urgent reminder, students and staff, our hybrid model is now beginning October 5th. And remember, Cougars, never be the reason that somebody has a bad day. Have a great weekend!